Good morning to everyone. Now today we will going to discuss the cone surface area. In previous class we discussed about the curved surface area of cylinder and we did question also. Today here we will discuss the curved surface area of cone which is equal to pi RL, where R is the radius and L is called slant height. You can see L, that is slant height, and L can be obtained by using the formula L square is equal to R square plus H square, which can be also said as Pythagoras theorem. So here H is the height of the cone, R is radius and L is slant height. Now if base of the cone is to be closed, so we will find total surface area, and base portion is what? Circular, which is pi r square. So pi r square plus pi rl. So that will be obtained as total surface area. So taking pi r common, so we are getting L plus R. So that's why we are writing total surface area of a cone is equal to pi rl plus pi r square, that is pi r taken out common, L plus R. Let's begin the exercise. Now in this first question that we will take, diameter of the base of the cone is 10.5 centimeter. Its slant height is also given, that is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. Let's begin the solution. Here diameter is 10.5, so radius will be half of 10.5, that is 10.5 divided by 2 centimeter. Height is given, slant height, that is 10 centimeter. Now curved surface area formula is what? Pi RL. So pi, that is 22 by 7, R, that is 10.5 by 2 into 7, that is 10. On simplifying we are getting 11 into 15 into 1. On calculation we are getting 165 centimeter square. Okay, be careful while calculating. Now see next question. In this question we need to find the total surface area of a cone. What we need to find? We need to find total surface area of a cone. If the slant height is 21 meter and the diameter of the base is 24 meter. So let's begin the solution. Diameter is 24, so radius will be 12. Half of diameter, slant height is given 21 meter. We all know formula, total surface area is pi r in bracket L plus R. So pi 22 by 7 into 12 in bracket 12 plus 21. On calculating we are getting 8712 divided by 7 meter square. In decimal we can write it 1244.57 meter square. Now see next question. In this question we need to find the slant height and the base diameter of a conical tomb is given. The slant height and the base diameter, that is 25 centimeter and 14 meter respectively. We need to find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. 1 meter square not given, per 100 meter square. So let's begin the solution. First of all, it is given diameter, that is 25 meter. So radius and height, slant height is given. So slant height is given 25 meter, radius will be 7 because diameter was 14. So curved surface area is pi RL, that is 22 by 7 into 7 into 25, that is 550 meter square. We need to whitewash for 1 meter square is equal to rupees 210 divided by 100. So for 550 meter square is equal to rupees 210 divided by 100 into 550. On calculation we are getting rupees 1155 rupees. Now after this we can go for the next question, number 4. Now in this question, let's read it. Curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeter square. Its slant height is 14 centimeter. We need to find the radius of the base and then we need to find the total surface area of the cone. Two things we need to find. One is radius, another one is total surface area. Given is curved surface area and slant height. So slant height is given as 14 and curved surface area, that is CSA, is 308, which is equal to pi RL. and slant height is 14. Now substitute all those values. We don't know radius, so we will write it radius as r. So pi RL is equal to 308, 22 by 7 into r into 14 is equal to 308. On calculating, we are getting r is equal to 7. So radius of the cone is 7 centimeter. Now total surface area formula, that include lateral surface area plus base area. So base area we will calculate, then we will add it. So pi r square, on calculation we are getting 154 centimeter square. Now add up these two, 308 plus 154, so we are getting total surface area which is equal to 308 plus 154. After that, on adding, we are getting 462 centimeter square. The next question, that is question number 5. One conical tent is there which is 10 meter high. One conical tent is there which is 10 meter high and the radius is given 24 meter. Find the slant height of the tent. We need to calculate the slant height of the tent. Then the cost of canvas required, means what is the cost of canvas required to make the tent. If the cost of 1 meter square of canvas is rupees 70, so we need to make one tent, and first of all we need to calculate L also. So height is given 10, radius is given 24. We will use Pythagoras theorem, that is L square is equal to h square plus r square, or L is equal to under root h square plus r square. On substituting, under root 10 square plus 24 square, so 100 plus 576, that is square root of 676 is 26 meter. Thus the required slant height of a tent is 26 meter. Now we need to find the cost of canvas for making tent. So that is CSC we will calculate. Pi RL, that is 13,728 divided by 7 meter square, on putting the values and doing the calculation. If 1 meter square of canvas is rupees 70, we multiply by 70. So cost of canvas required to make the tent is 13,728 divided by 7 into 70. You're getting rupees 13,000, means 1,37,280 rupees. Okay. After this, we will do the next question, that is question number 7. One joker cap is there. You all have seen birthday cap, same way joker cap is also there, which is in the form of right circular cone. Now this cap, which is in the form of right circular cone, whose radius is 7 centimeter and height is 24 centimeter. We need to find the sheet area required for making 10 such cap. We need to calculate curved surface area. So let's begin the solution. Here radius is 7 centimeter and height is 24 centimeter. But L is not there. So first step, we need to calculate L. So L is equal to under root h square plus r square. So 24 square plus 7 square. So we are getting 576 plus 49, that is 625, which is equal to 25. Lateral surface area is pi RL, that is 22 by 7 into radius, that is 7 into 25. On calculation, we are getting 550 centimeter square. This is area of one cap. For 10 such cap, it will be multiplied by 10. So 5,500 centimeter square. Thus, the area of making the joker cap of 10 is 5,500 centimeters square. I hope till this it is clear. Rest we will discuss in next class. Thank you.